These are the things you should never do to your fragrances. Don't, stop. Don't do that. Stop. Don't do that. Before we get into it, why don't you go down below and leave a comment. What fragrance are you wearing right now? Welcome back, everybody. Today I have for you things you should never do to your fragrances. All right, let's start out with number 1. Never store your fragrances in areas with extreme heat, extreme light, or extreme humidity. You should never be storing your fragrances on your bathroom counter, above your toilet, in a medicine cabinet, in your bathroom. They shouldn't be in your bathroom at all. You take hot showers, I'm sure. Sometimes maybe not, but when you store your fragrances in an area with high humidity, it has the potential to bring water into the fragrance, and that's going to dilute it and destroy the chemical compound within the fragrance. Also, don't store your fragrances on a windowsill or right next to a window. It's not the best idea. When you store your fragrance, for example, on a windowsill, that extreme light from the sun is going to break down the oils and it's going to alter the color of the fragrance, ultimately leading to it going bad quicker. And lastly, do not store your fragrances in any extreme heat. Don't store them in your car. Don't store them again on a windowsill. Your fragrance is made up of alcohol and perfume oils. When you store your fragrances in extreme heat, it actually breaks down the alcohol and the oils together, leading to an altered scent or completely ruining the fragrance. An ideal spot to store your fragrances is going to be on your dresser, if your dresser is away from a window, or on your nightstand, again, if it's away from a window. Yeah, if you make sure to never store your fragrance in these areas, your fragrance could last you forever. You could pass these fragrances down to your grandchildren. Number 2, avoid spraying your fragrance on you an excessive amount of times. Don't be that person who goes to spray their fragrance and you spray it so many times that you can be smelled before you walk in the room. Don't be that guy. You want to be known as the guy who smells good, not as the cologne guy. You don't want to spray your fragrance You don't want to do that. Everyone in the world can smell you now. You want to smell good enough to where people are like, ooh, who is that? You don't want to be the, oh my God, who is that? You don't, there's a fine line. You don't want to go past that. Number 3, don't pay full price. Whether you're looking for a niche fragrance, a designer fragrance, or even a cologne fragrance, you should never pay full retail for your favorite bottle of fragrance. There are so many discounters that ship all over the world, and there are so many cologne houses that make almost identical scent profiles to your favorite fragrance that you should never have to walk into a brick and mortar store and pay full retail. You shouldn't even have to go onto a brick and mortar store's website and pay full retail. I'll leave a link to some of these sample stores down below so you can try before you buy. And I'm not talking just saving $5, $10. I'm talking you can save up to $65, $70 on some of these fragrances. Don't spend stupid money. That leads us right into number 4. Do not be judgmental to other people's fragrances. If you don't like a fragrance, you could say that, but don't smell somebody or what they're wearing and be like, ugh, this is bad. Don't do that. Everyone has their own opinions. And yes, maybe that person should not be wearing such an offensive scent out and about, but come on. I'm sure you have your fair share of fragrances that you like that other people do not. Let the scent you want complement you. Price doesn't matter. And lastly, number 5, do not blind buy all your fragrances. Please. There are plenty of websites and plenty of content creators that allow you to purchase samples of fragrances. Try out samples before you go and spend money on a full-size bottle. Please. When you buy a sample, It comes in a nice travel size or like a 15 spray atomizer. You want to try a fragrance on your skin before you commit to buying a full-size bottle. What if you buy that full-size bottle and you don't like it? It's a waste of money. For example, I want to buy Initio's Oud for Greatness. I could go search up Initio's website and purchase that fragrance right there. Or I can go to Fragrantica and type in Initio Oud for Greatness and look at all the discounters that are offering that fragrance for $35, $40 less. Or I could pay a fraction of the price and get a cologne fragrance. This is Lattafa's Oud for Glory. It is 95% similar to Initio's Oud for Greatness. Why wouldn't I just get this? The person walking by me on the street's not gonna smell that 5% difference unless they own the original bottle. They're not going to be able to tell the difference. And I guarantee you, even if they do own that original bottle, they still would not be able to tell the difference. You might as well save a few $100 and just get a cologne fragrance. No one's going to know. You could even be that guy that says it's the real thing when somebody asks you what you're wearing. But come on, guys, don't gatekeep. I'll leave a link to some of the discounters down below. Thank you guys for stopping back on my channel. Make sure you hit that like button down below. You share this video with somebody who is also learning about fragrances, or maybe you want to share this video with one of your friends who you think can benefit from this. And again, comment down below, what fragrance are you wearing today? Hey, if you're enjoying my content, go click subscribe. I got a little end credit right here for you. Just click right here or tap right here and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this and learn more about fragrances, click this end screen right here. This is a nice little video that YouTube recommends. I think you'll enjoy it. Mobe Frags out. I smell crazy right now. That was too many sprays. It's getting to my head, guys. Holy, oh my God, please don't be the oversprayer. Please don't be the oversprayer. Whoa, stop, stop. Do not do that. Don't.